Forewarned weather with Damian Lotus.
Hey, Damian, how's the weather?
Weather today wasn't too bad. Still a little bit chilly for my taste, but it's December. You know it's going to be chilly. But thank you so much to Miss McArter's third grade class from Grand Elementary School down in Chickasha. So let's break down the chance of ice and snow and all that stuff coming to Oklahoma here over the weekend. Here's our forecast confidence, my forecast confidence for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I'm pretty confident on when it's going to happen and where it's going to happen. But right now it's still a little too early to tell what's going to happen and how much is going to happen. So that's what we're going to try to break down for you right now here with our future track radar starting at midnight, Thursday night, Friday morning. That little pink line right there, that's the freezing line. That's going to be the most important factor in determining what kind of weather we see here over the next couple of days. Early Friday morning, this is 9 a.m. Making that drive into work here for Oklahoma City. It's just looking like cloudy skies. Now across southwestern Oklahoma, we could see some winter mix. That includes drizzle, some freezing drizzle, ice, and sleet. That's primarily going to be in southwestern Oklahoma. Now, if this forecast shifts about 50 miles to the north, that could put Oklahoma City into play. So that's why we really need to pay attention to the forecast here over the next couple of days. The good news on Friday, at least, is by lunchtime on Friday, that freezing line is going to make its way to the north. So temperatures will rise above freezing here in Oklahoma City. So if we do see any freezing drizzle or rain in Oklahoma City on Friday morning, it'll have a chance to melt as we head into Friday afternoon. So that's a big important thing. And then by 5 o'clock Friday afternoon, it's looking like we're going to see some good rainfall chances in southern Oklahoma. And with that freezing line being in northwestern Oklahoma, it's looking like it's going to stay rain, which is a really good thing. The past couple of days wasn't looking that way. And then we will see some snow beginning late Friday in the Oklahoma Panhandle. And then by 10 o'clock Friday evening, we're still going to see some rain, primarily south of Oklahoma City, but that freezing line is going to slowly start to creep back into Oklahoma City. We could see a mix out across western Oklahoma. That's that transition zone between rain and snow. That's when you start to see that pink color right there. And that's going to be the hardest thing to forecast. And then Saturday morning, that's when this weather is really going to start to ramp up. We're going to see some heavy rainfall in southeastern parts of the state. And that's where we're also going to see that transition from rain to snow here for Oklahoma City. That's that pink area you see right there. That is going to be right along I-44. It always seems like these storms know exactly where the highways are, right? By 6:30 Saturday morning, we're still going to see that chance of freezing rain and sleet here in Oklahoma City. But for northern Oklahoma, northwestern Oklahoma, it's looking like it's going to be cold enough to just good old-fashioned snowfall. And then as we head throughout the day on Saturday, it's looking like that mix is going to change over to snow. And it's looking like we're going to see some pretty good snowfall amounts here in Oklahoma City and a lot of northern Oklahoma. So let's break down the best guess right now of what you're going to see. Friday morning, it's mainly looking like rainfall in southern, southeastern Oklahoma, and there's that mix, there's that sleet, there's that chance of freezing drizzle here for southwestern Oklahoma. Doesn't include the Oklahoma City metro, which is a good thing. Friday afternoon and a Friday evening, a low to moderate, a good chance of rain in southern Oklahoma, and then there's that mix in western Oklahoma, and there's the snow starting across the Oklahoma Panhandle. On Saturday, for you folks in southern and southeastern Oklahoma who want snow, not looking very good right now, mainly looking like just good old-fashioned rainfall. For the rest of the state, it's mainly looking like snow, but in this area right here highlighted in orange, we cannot rule out the possibility of some sleet and ice. So I'm going to keep that right there. We're primarily going to see snow, but we can't rule out the possibility of seeing some ice as well. And then Saturday afternoon, once again, seeing primarily snow, but we can't rule out the possibility of seeing some ice still mixed in with some of this to include the Oklahoma City metro. So here's the storm impacts as we head into the weekend. I'm going to elevate the risks for the roads and bridges because let's face it, Oklahoma drivers aren't the best in nice weather. So whenever you start to get some snow or some ice, it's not too good. Wind chills, I'm going to bump those up because we could see some wind chills in the teens. Power outages, we could see some ice accumulation on power lines and on branches. So I'm going to elevate that. And then because of all that, we could see some Sunday services canceled because of the weather, so I'm going to elevate that as well. And this is why I don't show snowfall totals, because one model is showing less than an inch and another model is showing a record snowfall day for Oklahoma City. So I'll just leave that alone for right now. 7-day forecast, 41 degrees here for today. As we head into Saturday, 100% chance of some snowfall primarily. We'll be watching it, keeping you forewarned. And then after that, we're going to be back to some mild weather here as we head into next weekend. So a lot of variables here over the next couple of days. We're going to be watching it. We'll keep you forewarned.
Looks like next weekend's going to be great, but this weekend I'll probably be staying inside.
Right. Yep.
Now, this may not be